profits and loss, but you did not allow to continue. So few questions I will do in profits and loss. Few questions I will do in profits and loss, and I will move very fast. I will move away from this profits and loss because next topic, uh, mixtures and allegation. They repeatedly ask a question from this topic, mixtures allegation, and some concept in mixtures allegation uh, will be from profits and loss. Some concept in mixtures allegation will use profits and loss concept. So I have to do first profits and loss. Mixtures allegation is more important. So I will try to finish mixtures allegation, and then my intention is to go for progression. My intention is to go for progression because this is again one of the important topic, progression. They ask questions from AP and GP. Okay. So I will tell you AP GP questions in 2019 December. TCS had taken November, December. TCS had conducted test. In that, some of the questions they had asked like this. Some of the questions from this APGP was like this. They had asked, uh, what is find sum? Find sum of 1 square minus 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square plus 5 square minus dot 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 up to 21st term. Up to 21st term. Two questions they had asked in 2019 December time. Two questions they had asked based on this pattern from arithmetic progression. And one question 2-3 times they had asked uh, when a ball falls from some 60 feet, 100 or 120 feet, a ball falls from that height, and every time it rebounds. Every time it rebounds 2/3 height or 1/3 height or half of the height. And so question they have asked 2-3 times, like every time 2/3 of its height it is rebounding and falling. So question they have asked, at third fall, what is total distance traveled by it? At fourth fall, what is total distance traveled by it? What is total distance traveled by it before it will come to rest? So this question will be based on a geometric progression. So right now, I will go with profits and loss. I will try to finish as soon as possible. Few questions I will do here. Few questions I will give you homework assignment, as already I have uploaded a profits and loss assignment. You have to download from Facebook page. You have to start doing. And then I will go to mixtures allegation. Yesterday I told you the formulas. I will not revise again. I will not repeat again formula. But I will give you from very first question. I did yesterday one question. But again, I will give you same question so that there should be continuity. So my first question you must answer because this question I told you yesterday. If I say here, some apples are bought at the rate of 6 for 8 and sold at the rate of 8 for 10, then what is profit or loss percent in the transaction? Question is, 6 apples bought for 8 rupees, and when they are selling it, they are selling 8 apples for 10 rupees. Question is, what is profit or loss percent in the transaction? Ayush, yesterday I gave the formula again and again. I will not repeat that. Moreover, yesterday I told you remember this formula. So I will not repeat again formula. So here anyhow, this formula will be used. Profit is selling price minus cost price. If there is loss, loss is equals to CP minus SP. Profit percent will be profit divided by CP into 100. Percent loss will be loss by CP into 100. This question is based only on these two patterns. Okay. What happened? Brindashri is laughing. What happened? Okay, 6.25, 6.66, 67%. Okay, fine. Yes, I think that's correct. I think 6 point something will come. Yes, 6 point something will come, as I feel 6 point something. So as I have to decide whether there is profit or loss, I must know one item CP is what, one item SP is what. So I will calculate one apple cost price. One apple cost price is 8 divided by 6 rupees. One apple cost price is 8 by 6 rupees. Like if I tell you 2 pen price is 10 rupees, two pen price is 10 rupees, then 1 pen price is what? 10 by 2. So this is what I have done. 6 apple price is 8 rupees. So one apple price will be 8 by 6. Now I will see what is one apple selling price. One apple selling price is, so 8 by 6 is 4 by 3, that is approximately 1.33. 1.33 is one apple cost price. Apple selling price is 10 divided by 8, that is 5 by 4, that is 1.25. You can see selling price is 1.25, but cost price is 1.33. So cost price is bigger, it is a loss. Now you have to write loss is equals to CP minus SP. 4 by 3 is CP, SP is 5 by 4. See, I did not take 1.33 and 1.25. I did not take decimal value because 1.33 is not exact. It is 1.3333. So I took 4 by 3. That one is exact. 4 by 3 is exact. So LCM is 12. 16 minus 15 is 1. Loss is 1 by 12. And percent loss is loss 1 by 12 divided by CP. CP is 4 by 3 multiplied by 100. So loss into this 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 100. 4 into 25, 3 into 4. 25 by 4%, which is 61 by 4%. 6.25% or 61 by 4% is loss percent. 61 by 4% is loss percent. Any doubt, anyone? So keep in mind, if you come across this type of question when some items, some amount at buying time and at selling time, again, this many items, this many rupees. So you find out individual one item CP is what, individual one item SP is what. And accordingly find out there is profit or loss. One question I will ask you, one simple question. Can you answer me second question? Okay. Okay. CP, SP is same. I don't think it is same. Second question I said second question, Firdaus. %13.1%. Second question I have asked, second question I have asked, not first question. Second question I have asked. Okay. Yes, perfect. So you have to again find out here. Yes. You have to find out one apple CP is equals to 34 by 8. That is 17 by 4, which is 4.25 rupees. One apple CP is 4.25 rupees. And one apple SP is equals to 57 by 12. That is 12 4s are 48 and 75. So one apple CP, one apple SP, you know. Then one apple profit is what? One apple profit is 4.75 minus 4.25. That is 0.5. On one apple profit is 0.5 rupees. Yes, one apple profit is 50 paise. One apple profit is 50 paise. Two apple profit is 1 rupee. Question is, I need total 45 rupees profit. So for 45 rupees profit, number of apples will be 90 apples. Isn't it? Because one apple profit is one apple profit is 50 paise. So on 90 apples, profit will be 45 rupees because 2 apple, 1 rupees profit. 2 apple, 1 rupees profit. So double apple, half profit. So 90 apples, profit 45 rupees. Remember, this type of question is very frequent. This type of question is very frequent in test. Not only in TCS, but in any other company. Now, one next question also I had explained you. But before that, if I ask some question, if ratio of CP and SP is 4:5, then profit percent is what? This is one normal question. It will not come. If question is ratio of CP and SP is 4:5, then profit percent is what? So you can say that CP divided by SP ratio is 4/5, and you can assume let CP is equals to 4x, then SP is equals to 5x. Yes, you can say that SP is bigger value, so there is a profit, and so profit is SP minus CP, 5x minus 4x, that is x. And next you can calculate percent profit. Percent profit is profit divided by CP into 100. And so you will say it is 25%. It is 25%. And one next question I will ask on this pattern, and then I will give you some good questions which is expected. What if both CP and SP? If both SP and CP are same, then no profit, no loss. Then no profit, no loss. If both SP and CP same, then no profit, no loss. Now, one question if I ask you, if cost price of 16 items is equal to selling price of 12 items, then what is profit or loss percent? This question as well I told you yesterday, and you can easily answer me. Okay. 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 25% loss, 25. You have to say that is profit or loss as well. You have to say that is profit or loss as well. 25 is what? 25 is profit or loss. Okay. So many of you are saying profit, many of you are saying loss. Many of you are saying profit, many of you are saying loss. That means you are not exactly answering. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So here, same statement. Yesterday I told you you have to write same statement. Cost price of, cost price of 16 items is equals to selling price of 12 items. Okay. So now here, can I write CP divided by SP is equals to 12 by 16? Can I write this? Can I write this? You tell me here. Can I write this? Yes. So 4 3s are 4 4s are. So here 3 divided by 4. Now let CP is 3x, then SP is 4x. So there is a profit. There is a profit. Profit is equals to 4x minus 3x, x. X is profit. And then percent profit is divided by 3% is 33, 1 by 3%. Remember this. If question comes like this, because this is also one important question. CP of 16 items is equal to SP of 12 items, then what is profit percent or loss percent? So same statement you have to write in equation form. Same statement you have to write in equation form. Like CP of is into 16 articles is equals to selling price of 12 items. Then put in ratio CP by SP and I got what is profit or loss. Okay. Sir, how please we should not find loss? If there is profit, then we'll find out profit. If there will be loss, then we will find out loss. Suzanne, if there is profit, then only profit I have to find, right? If it was loss, then we could have found loss. Okay, Yashwant, why should multiply by x? Because whenever you write something in ratio, it is always multiplied with some constant value. Like here it is 15 is to 20. When you write in ratio, you cancel it. 3 5 ja, sorry, 5 3 ja, 5 4 ja. So when I say ratio 3 is to 4, so 3 and 4 is multiplied by some constant, okay? So always from ratio, you have to write 3x, 4x, okay? You can directly calculate without x also. But it is better practice to write x. Now, similar pattern, and this is also one important question. Question is, okay, I will give you a question from here. Can you answer me question number 4? Fourth question. Here recording is not advantage. Yes, you have to record from your side only. Some person is recording, some person sent me yesterday recording also. I will upload on Facebook, okay? I will update on Facebook, Monica. I will update on Facebook. So can you answer this? If selling price doubled, the profit triples. Find the profit percent. How many times I should say my Facebook ID? @Kumar Sam07. In Facebook search box, you type this, you will get this page. @Kumar Sam07. KUMARSAM07. All small letter, you just type, you will get the page. Okay, 100%, 0.3333, 300%. Okay, 50 profit, 100. Okay, fine. Okay, first I will take normal case, and then when a case is new. Normal case, let CP is X, SP is Y. Normal case, let CP is X, SP is Y. So profit will be what? Profit is selling price minus cost price, right? Normal case, I assumed that CP is X, SP is Y. So profit is Y minus X. But new case, it's saying selling price doubles. CP is X only, but selling price is 2Y. Selling price doubled. If selling price doubled, then a new profit will be what? New profit is 2Y minus X. It is said that now new profit is tripled. New profit is 3 times. So I will write new profit is 3 times of old profit. Any doubt, anyone? It is all just assumption. I just assumed let CP is X rupees and SP is Y rupees. Then normally what will be profit? Then normally profit will be selling price minus cost price. Normally profit will be selling price minus cost price. But in question, it is said that selling price is going to be doubled. When selling price will be doubled, then profit will be 3 times. So I took one new case. In that, cost price is same X, but now selling price is doubled. Earlier selling price was Y, but now new selling price is 2Y. So in that case, new profit will be what? New profit will be new selling price minus cost price. So I can say this equation, new profit is 3 times of old profit, because new profit is 3 times. So replace your value. New profit is 2y minus x is equals to 3 into old profit. Old profit is y minus x. 2y minus x is equals to 3y minus x. So from here, I got y is equals to 2x. I got this relation y is 2x. So your selling price is double compared to cost price. Your selling price is double compared to cost price. No, not 3y. See here. Some mistake. New profit is 2y minus x. 3 into y minus x. 3y minus 3x. 3y minus 3x. So yes. So y will be 2x. Right? Yes, you can take P also. You can take profit directly P also. So you can see here, selling price is double compared to cost price. So I will find out profit percent. Profit percent is what? Profit divided by CP into 100. Profit is what? Profit is selling price minus cost price. Selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100. Selling price is what? This is selling price. Why it's selling price? Selling price is 2x minus cost price is what? X. Divided by CP is what? CP is X into 100. So what you will get? 100%. This is one good question. Remember this. This is a good question. Straight away, this question has appeared in many interview. Okay, remember this. Not in TCS, but it will help you in some other interview as well. Okay, so here profit percentage 100%. 2x minus x is x. X by x into 100, which is 100%. So here I calculated profit percent. Profit percent is profit by CP into 100. Profit is selling price minus cost price. Here I calculated selling price. Selling price is 2x. 2x minus cost price is x. So 2x minus x by x into 100. Answer is 100%. Now I will give you another question. This is one good question. This is one good question. And this question also you will find in some interview straight away. Uh, 2 into 2x is 4x. Means what is 4x? Okay, see here, I will do this. Buy one, get one offer. Selling price of a t-shirt is 4,200. So if you will pay 4,200, if you will pay 4,200, shopkeeper has to sell how many t-shirt? 2 t-shirt, isn't it? If you have paid 4,200 rupees, so in that shopkeeper has to sell 2 t-shirt because offer is one you buy, one you get free. You paid 4,200 rupees, so you will be taking 2. So shopkeeper has sold 2 t-shirt. My question here is, one t-shirt selling price is what? One t-shirt selling price is what? One t-shirt selling price is 2,100, isn't it? Because shopkeeper, 2 t-shirt 4,200. So one t-shirt 2,100. Now, at this selling price, shopkeeper is making still profit. Percent profit is 33.33%. Can I say 33.33% is also 100 by 3%? 100 by 3% is 33.33%, isn't it? So now we have selling price given, we have profit percent given. We have to find out what is cost price of one t-shirt. One t-shirt cost price is what? And you have formula. Cost price is selling price into 100 divided by 100 plus percent profit. Selling price into 100. Selling price is 2,100 multiplied by 100 divided by 100 plus profit percent is 100 plus 100 by 3. So 2,100 into 100 into 3 divided by 400. Got cancel. So can you tell me how much it is coming? 75 into 21? 1575. So one t-shirt cost price is 1575. Did you understand? One t-shirt cost price is 1575. The only thing was here 33.33%. If you write in this manner 33.33, you will get some kind of point decimal values and all, calculation will be difficult. But if 33.33 I replace as 100 by 3, calculation becomes easier. Ayush, one buy one get one offer. If you buy one, you will actually get one more. So you get two. So shopkeeper sold two t-shirt in how many rupees? In 4,200 rupees. So one t-shirt selling price is what? 4,200 by 2, 2,100. At this selling price, shopkeeper is making profit, which is given in question, 33.33%. Selling price is given, profit percent is given. We have to just find out what is one t-shirt CP. CP formula is this. I just replaced all value, got the answer. There was nothing much thing to explain. If there is loss, then 100 minus loss percent, Prajwal. Remember, if profit, then always plus profit. If loss, then minus loss percent. Okay, remember that. If profit, then always plus. If loss, then minus. And this is also one small question, but good questions. Sir, we can like this also, sir. Profit percentage. Yes, you can lick it, you can write like that also, but multiplied by 100. This is one small but a good question. Aileen, listen here. One t-shirt only cost is written 4,200. One t-shirt only, every t-shirt cost is written 4,200. So he paid for only one 4,200. He got two. So actually one t-shirt price is what? 4,200 by 2. That is 2,100. On every t-shirt, it is written 4,200. Okay. Okay. 25%, 20%, 25%. Yes. See here, when some person sells something and he recovers some price, then always percent will be profit percent will be how many saved divided by on how many spent into 100. This is formula. Remember, when somebody is selling something, and something is saved and something is sold, in that manner, profit percent will be found by this formula. How many saved? 25 mangoes price recovered by only 20 mangoes when he sells. When he sells 20 mangoes, he recovers 25 mangoes price. So how many he had saved? He had saved 5. Divided by how many he has spent means how many he has sold. He sold 20. Okay, he sold 20 means on 20 item, on 20 mangoes, when he sold 20 mangoes, he saved 5 actually every time. So 5 is saved on how many? 5 is 5 mangoes saved. On how many it is saved? On 20 mangoes it is saved. Multiplied by 100. So 5 into 4, 4 into 25. So profit percent is 25%. Okay. Recovers means CP is SP. Yes. CP is SP. Recovering means that price for both is same. Now one last question I will give and I will move to mixture allegation. This question already we have solved. I am just checking whether you can answer or not. This question we already, no, not this question. this question. Already we have solved this question. I'm telling you, already we have solved this question today itself. You have to answer me. Correct answer you have to give me. Sanjay, yes, we can solve in that manner also. Okay. Okay. Yes, yes, you can solve by ratio method also. Previous question, one method I told you, you can do it like that also. CP of 25 articles is SP of 20 articles. You can write like that also. CP by SP is equals to 20 by 25. This method I told you, right? Many of you are asking. You can find, you can solve by this method also. Okay. CP of 25 articles is SP of 20 articles. This one method I told you. And one method, second I told you by using direct profit percent. So you will write CP is 20x, SP is 25x, and then you can find out again profit percent is 25%, right? Now here, CP of 20 articles is SP of X articles. Now CP divided by SP is equals to X divided by 20. So let CP is equals to X and SP is equals to 20, right? Cost price of 20 articles is same as selling price of X articles. So now profit percent is 25%. Profit percent is profit by CP into 100. So I will write 25 is equals to profit means what? Profit means selling price minus cost price. Okay, divided by CP is X multiplied by 100. 25 into 4. So 20 minus X is equals to 4X. 1 second. 25 and 25 4. 1 second. 80, right? 80. So 80 is equals to 5X and X is equals to 16. Right? 80 is equals to 5X, X is equals to 16. Profit percent is given. In this, if the profit is 25%, if the profit is 25%, so profit percent is profit percent is profit by CP into 100. Profit percent is given in question 25%. Profit means what? Profit means selling price minus cost price. Profit means selling price minus cost price. Cost price is X. Selling price is 20. Here I have written. Okay. Profit is selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100. 25%, that 100, that Jayant, that 100 you can see here. That 100 is already here. 25 by 100, again you don't have to write. Ganesh, loss is CP minus SP. Why you want to write X minus 20? Profit is selling price minus cost price. Selling price, can you see in bold letter? Selling price, can you see in bold letter 20? So I should write 20 minus X, not X minus 20. CP is X. In question it is given, we can cross multiply. Obviously you can cross multiply. I cross multiplied and then I got this. but for CP it is X, for SP it is 20. Okay, if A is to B, I write 3 by 4. This term numerator is for A, denominator is for B. It is not like A is for 4 and B is for this 3. No, not that. So percent profit is profit by CP into 100 and we just got it. Yes, 20 minus X multiplied with 4, 25 4 is 100. Now practice some questions. First you practice some basic points properly in profits and loss. You have so many difficulties. You please practice some more questions. Now I will come to mixtures and allegation. We'll come to now mixtures allegation. Mixtures and allegation. Mixtures and allegation. Okay. So please, formula and all, don't ask me. You revise after class. Okay. Formula and all, revise. What is formula for SP if profit percent is given? Okay. Once I will remind formula. SP is equals to 100 plus profit percent divided by 100 into CP if profit is given, Gautam. And selling price formula is 100 minus percent loss divided by 100. Hello? Yes. Yes, tell me. Yes. Okay. Okay, okay, done. Okay, okay. Okay, done, done. Okay. Okay, perfect. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, fine. And multiplied by CP. This is for profit, this is for loss. Now, there is no other formula for CP. Remember, there is no different formula for CP. CP comes from here only. If you want CP when there is profit percent, so keep CP at one position, keep CP at one position, left all other terms and other side. So CP is equals to SP into 100. SP into 100 divided by this 100 plus profit percent will go denominator, right? So 100 plus profit percent. If there is loss, then CP will be SP multiplied by 100 divided by 100 minus loss percent, right? 100 minus loss percent. So there is no different formula for SP and CP. One formula only. If you want SP, you have to keep SP one side. If you want CP, you have to keep CP one side. Okay, there is no different formula. We have just same formula. Now, and this formula will be used in mixtures allegation. One question I want to tell you, because that point they have asked many times. In TCS, one question they have asked from mixtures allegation many times, which uses profit and loss concept. So in mixtures allegation, we are going to mix two or more than two items, like two type of rice we have. Rice 1, rice 2. One rice is at 60 rupees per kg. One rice is at 90 rupees per kg. We have to mix it. We have to mix these two rice such that mean price we want is 80 rupees per kg. Mean price I want 80 rupees per kg. So question is, in what ratio these two will be mixed? How many kg I have to mix from first type and how many kg I have to mix from second type? So that comes from this pattern. Okay, 90 minus 80, that is 10, and 60 minus 80, that is 20. So 10 is to 20, that is 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2 stands 1 kg rice 1 and 2 kg rice 2 I have to mix. 1 kg rice 1 I have to mix, 2 kg rice 2 I have to mix. In general manner, what I'm trying to say is, If two items you have, first item and second item, first item price is A rupees per kg, second item price is B rupees per kg, mean price is something M, then always ratio in which they are mixed is B minus M, B minus M, and M minus A. Okay, M minus A. This is the ratio in which they will be mixed. Okay, this is the ratio in which they will be mixed. So first, some basic question I want to tell you. Suppose we have one question, very simple question we have here. Cheaper one and costly one. Yes, you can say like that also. This is cheaper item C. This is dearer item D. Mean price is M. Then you can also say D minus M is to M minus C. Cheaper item, dearer item. You can say like that also. But whatever is given in question, cheaper item or dearer item, whatever is given in question first, you have to take that as first. So I want to just tell you here how you are going to mix two items. You have formula. In what ratio must rice at 9.3 must be mixed with rice at 10.8. So 9.31, 10.81. Mean price, mixture worth 10 per kg. Worth is nothing but mean price. Mixture worth 10 per kg. So worth is nothing but mean price. So you have to write here mean price 10, and then you have to subtract. 10.8 minus 10 is 0.8, and 10 minus 9.3 is 0.7. So ratio is 0.8 is to 0.7. So directly I can say 8 is to 7. I can say 8 is to 7, right? One thing I want to tell you, one point I want to tell you here is that always mean price must be bigger than this value. Always mean price must be bigger than a smaller value, and mean price must be a smaller than bigger value. Like if I say two items, one at 80 and one at 150, then mean price has to be between 80 to 150. Mean price, if I write 70, it is not correct. Mean price cannot be 70 for 80 and 150. Similarly, mean price, if I write 170, mean price cannot be 170. Mean price must be between 80 and 150. So mean price I can have 100, mean price I can have 120, mean price I can have 130, so on. So here you learned how to mix two items. Here you learned how to mix two items. Now you have to learn how to mix three items. Now one more point I will tell you. Like suppose here one question I give. 2 in what ratio rice at 90 per kg mixed with rice at 150 per kg, such that mean price comes 110 per kg. So here what ratio I will get? One point I want to tell you. 90, 150, and mean price is 110. So here I will get 40, and here I will get 20. That is 2:1. It means 2 kg from first type, 2 kg mixed from first type and 1 kg mixed from second type. 1 kg mixed from second type. Okay. Otherwise, 4 kg mixed from first type, then 2 kg mixed from second type. Whatever quantity I take, in that quantity ratio must be 2:1. In that quantity ratio must be 2:1. Like I can take, if I take 16 kg from first type, then from second type I have to take 8 kg, such that 16 and 8 ratio is 2:1. One point is this. Now, second point is how to verify this 2:1 is correct. How to verify 2:1 is correct. So what I will do is I will find out mean price by using this 2:1 ratio. You have rice 1 and rice 2 at 90 and 150. You found it is mixed in 2:1 ratio. So by using this 2 value, I will find out mean price, and I must get mean price 110. So this is verification. I'm going to verify whether it is coming or not 150. So you have to find out mean price like this. First item 2 kg. First item 2 kg, 90 into 2. Plus second item 1 kg, 150 into 1. Divided by total how many kg? Denominator. 2 kg first item, 1 kg second item. So total I have got 3 kg. So 180 plus 150 divided by 3, that is 330 divided by 3, so 110. 110 per kg I got mean price. So yes, that is given in question, 110 per kg. Question also had 110 per kg. This is verification. I verified whether what I got is correct or not. I verified it. Up to this, any doubt, anyone? How 2:1? Okay, Bhavna. 90 is given in question, 150 given in question, 110 given in question. So 150 minus 110, 40. 110 minus 90. This is pattern. This is pattern which you have to follow. 110 minus 90 is 20. So 40 is to 20. 22 is 40, 21 is 20. So 2:1. Okay. In this manner, it came 2:1. Now you have to understand. Now you have to understand how to mix 3 items. Here you learned how to mix 2 items. Now you have to learn how to mix 3 items. And this point is again important. How to mix more than 2 items actually. How to mix more than 2 items. Maybe 3 items, maybe 4 items, maybe 5 items. Then how to mix that? Generally it will come only up to 3 items. But you must know how to mix. So if I give a question, 3 types of rice, one at 80, 3 types of rice at 80 per kg, 110 per kg, and 150 per kg is mixed to get mean price 120 per kg. In what ratio they are mixed? In what ratio they are mixed? Can you try how to mix 3 items? Like 2:3:1 or 3:2:4. What is the ratio for first item, second item, third item? How many kg from first type? How many kg from second type? How many kg from third type? 3:1:4. Okay. 4:1:3. Okay, many of you are answering 3:1:4. Okay. So here I will verify. I will verify whether 3 is to 1 is to 4 is correct or not. I will verify. I will verify. I will find out mean price and I will check whether mean price is coming 120 or not. I will check whether mean price is coming 120 or not. I will verify. So 80 into 3 plus 110 into 1 plus 150 into 4 divided by how many kg? 4 plus 4, 8 kg. 240 plus 110 plus 600 divided by 8. So 600 plus 700 plus 2, 900, 950 divided by 8 is equals to 8 ones are 8, 15, 8 ones are 8, 70, 8 8s are 64. It is coming 118 point something. But my mean price is 120. It's not correct. 3 is to 1 is to 4 is not correct. 4 is to 1 is to 3. Okay. Okay, fine. I don't know answer, so I cannot tell you who is saying correct, who is saying wrong. Listen here. Are you doing like this? Are you doing like this? You wrote 3 item 80, 110, 150. Mean price is 120. So 30, 10, 60. Are you trying something like this? No. This one is not acceptable. This one is not correct. Okay. This one is not correct. Matlab, if I will have 4 item, then I will do this. 5 item, I will do this. 6 item, where to put? Here. 7 item, okay, here. 8 item, here. No, not like that, okay? Not like that. Okay, fine. See here. I will tell you that's very simple. Very easily you will understand this. Always this formula, always this pattern is acceptable for only 2 terms. Always this pattern is acceptable for only 2 terms. Like one item is 80, one item is 100. So this pattern is only for 2 items, not for more than 2, only for 2 items. So one point I will tell you, when I have 2 items, this pattern will be done how many times? This pattern will be done 1 time. Here 80, 100 mean price is 75. So 25 is to 5. When I have only 2 items, this pattern is done 1 time. When I will have 3 items, this pattern will be done 2 times. I will tell you how this pattern will be done 2 times. When there will be 4 items, this pattern I have to do 3 times. Okay, and so on. I will tell you how to do when I have 3 items, how to do this pattern 2 times. Okay, I will show you. I don't know answer, Pragati. I don't know answer. I have to check. Now I will solve. You can verify whether you are answering correct or not. I have 3 items A, B, and C. 80, 110, 150. Mean price is what? 120. I want to make first set. I want to make first set of that pair. Can I take that pair with A and B such that A is 80, B is 110 and mean price 120? Is this pair acceptable? Is this pair acceptable? This pair is not acceptable because mean price must be between that. Mean price must be between 80 and 110. But it is not in between. So this is not acceptable. So which one is acceptable? A and C is acceptable, isn't it? A and C is acceptable, right? A and C is acceptable as first pair. First pair A and C acceptable. Second pair is what? Second pair can be what? Second pair can be B and C, isn't it? Second pair can be B and C. B is 110 and C is 150. Mean price is 120. This is the 2 pair. This is the 2 pair. Now you find out what is ratio. 30 and 40. So A is to C is 3 is to 4. A is to C is 3 is to 4. Okay. Now B is to C is 3 is to 1. B is to C is 3 is to 1. B is to C is 3 is to 1. B is to C is 3 is to 1. Now listen very carefully. Now next point is very interesting point. Next point is very interesting. How to finally write A is to B is to C. How to finally write A is to B is to C. This point is very interesting. You have to listen very carefully. You have to tell me in this, no, Sindhu, that is not correct. You have to listen how I'm going to write. How I'm going to write. It is not ratio. It is not ratio. You have to listen very carefully. In this A and C and B and C, A is only once written, right? A is only once written. What is A value? Value of A is 3. No, Monisha, Arun, not correct. That is not correct. Listen how I'm saying. It is not that what you are thinking. So, in this A and C and in B and C, A is only once used and value of A is 4. It is 4 kg from A mixed. B, how many kg were? You can see B also only once used. B also only once used. Are Murkh, Gadhe, Avinash, Kushal, how many times I should say it is not correct? Listen, because you will again say me how sir it has come. I'm telling you, listen how I'm saying here. It is not correct what you are saying. Once I will explain, you will again ask me how sir. How? See, he is asking how. When I'm explaining, you have to see that time. A is 3, correct. A is 3. Did you understand A and C and B and C how it has come? I'm making pair because A and B when I took A is 80, B is 110, mean price is 120. Mean price will not fall into this. Mean price is not falling, 120 is not falling between 80 and 110. So A and B is not acceptable. Then which one is acceptable? A and C is acceptable because one is 80, one is 150, 120 is between that. And so this pair is acceptable. For A and C, I calculated what is its ratio. 150 minus 120 is 30. 120 minus 80 is 40. So A and C ratio is 3:4. Now second pair B and C I took. Second ratio B and C I took. B is 110, C is 150. 120 is again in between that. So this pair is also acceptable. So here B and C ratio is what? 150 minus 120 is 30. 120 minus 110 is 10. So 3:1. 30:10 ratio is 3:1. Finally, I have to combine this AC ratio and BC ratio. I have to write ABC. So listen how you have to write finally. In A and C ratio, A and C is 3:4. B and C is 3:1. In ACBC, what is value of A? A is only used once. Its value is 3. A is only used once. Its value is 3. So write 3. Write here 3. Write here 3. Again, when I'm explaining, Akshay, listen. It is not correct. Before you, many people came and gone like you. Don't answer. Listen. A is 3. I wrote here 3. What is value of B? B also used only once. B is 3 again. So 3:3. What is value of C? C is 2 times now. C is once here 4. C is once here once. It means 1 times C is 4 kg with 3 kg of A. 1 times C is 4 kg with 3 kg of A. And again another time C is 1 kg with 3 kg of B. So altogether C is how many kg? 4 kg here, 1 kg here, 1 kg here. So altogether C is 5 kg. So ratio is ABC 3:3:5. Ratio of ABC is 3:3:5. It is not ratio, Abhishek. It is how many kg of which type. We have to just add. You are not supposed to take AB and BC. Did you get how this ratio has come? Did you understand or not? Did you get how this ratio has come? Perfect. Now I will verify. I will verify now. I will verify whether it is correct or not. So see here, I will verify. I will verify now. I will verify. Ratio I got 3:3:5. Okay. I will verify ratio. I will verify this. 80 is 3 kg. So 80 into 3 plus 110 is 3 kg plus 150 is 5 kg. Divided by total 3 plus 3 6 kg, 6 kg plus 5 11 kg. 240 plus 330 plus 750 divided by 11. 0, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 4 12, carry 1, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 1 13 divided by 11 is equals to 120. You can see here it is mean price verified. Can you see mean price is verified? So it is verified. Okay. So this is how you are going to take 3 items. This is the manner you are going to take 3 items. Yes, if it is, if option also you can check. Option also you can check. But checking option, 3-4 options are there, and checking option may take some time. So I told you how to do. Finally, I will tell you, many of you are asking again, A is to C is 3:4, B is to C is 3:1. B is to C is 3:1. How I wrote ABC? A in AC and BC, A is only once. What is value of A? 3. I wrote here 3. I wrote here 3. B in this 2 ratio, B is also only once. What is value of B? 3. So I wrote 3. But C is 2 times. C is once 4. C is once 4. Okay. C is once here 4. And C is again once 1. So C is altogether 4 plus 1, 5. That's all. Okay. C is done. If 4 items, then you have to do this 3 times. Okay. If 4 items, you have to do this 3 times. Generally, it will not come for 4 items and all. You try by yourself now. We have not much time. I will tell you now what question they ask. What question earlier they have asked. I will tell you. Okay, thank you, thank you. Okay, this is the one type of question which comes. So what is difference in this question? Difference in this question is selling price is something given. 2 items given, 1 item is 60 per kg, 1 item is 65 per kg. It is saying that in what ratio I should mix such that if I sell this mixture at 68.20, there should be a profit of 10%. So this is the question which is based on profits and loss concept. This is the question which is based on profits and loss concept. Just one question I will tell you. I will give you idea how to do this. Okay. Acha, but it makes AC as 3:5 means what you are trying to see. what you are trying to say. AC is 3:5. So what you are trying to say? So see here, two items are given, 60, 65. But this mean price is not given. This mean price is not given. Listen very carefully. Mean price will be CP. Mean price will be CP. Mean price will be CP. Always in this type of question, always in this type of question, always in this type of question, selling price will be given. Selling price will be always in every question, selling price will be given if pattern is this. And with selling price, always profit percent will be given. Profit percent will be given. By using this selling price and profit percent, you have to find out CP is what. You have to find out CP is what. And CP you calculate, formula, you know, CP is equals to SP into 100 by 100 plus profit percent. You will get, I think, 62. And that 62 you have to write here. So 65 and 3 and here 2. So ratio will be 3:2. Right? It will be 2. Yes. So always in this type of question, selling price will be given. You have to find out CP, and that CP will be mean price. Now, you can see here also we have 3 items. We will not solve this question, only I am showing you. We have 3 items. One item is 60, one item is 75 per kg, and one item is 100 rupees per kg. Question is this mixtures, in what ratio it is mixed such that when it is sold at 96 per kg gives a profit of 20%. So here also CP you have to calculate, and that CP will be mean price. Something you will get, and then 3 items, 60, 75, 100. With that mean price you will get from here, and then you have to find out what is the ratio for these 3 items by taking 2 pairs, by taking 2 groups, and I told you how to take it, right? So we'll not solve it right now. You have to do by yourself. Now one last point we have in this mixture allegation, and this is one of the very important point. Quantity of pure item left in container after Pragati, please see that question again. See or show, please show that question again. Are you saying? Here is the question. This is on my Facebook page. This is even on my Facebook page, this PDF you can download from there. Okay, all question you can get. Pavan, 4:4:57 will not come. You have made some mistake. Please, you have made some mistake. Okay, let me do this first. I will calculate CP. CP is equals to 96 into 100 by 120. CP I got 80. Now 3 items ABC, 60, 75, 100. Mean price is 80. So first pair will be A and C. 60, 100, in between 80. 20:20, so A is to C is 1:1. A is to C is 1:1. Second pair will be B and C. B is 75, C is 100. Mean price is 75. Sorry, mean price is 80. So 20 and 5. So B and C is 4:1. Ratio finally A is to B is to C is A is only once, it is 1. B is only once, C is 2 times. So answer is 1:4:2. Array SS Rajmouli, why not A and B? Matlab, where you were sleeping or you were in some dream? How many times I should explain? A and B I cannot take because A is 60, B is 75, mean price is 80. Mean price must come between these two values. Do you think 80 is between 60 and 75? More than 10 times I have repeated this. Are you taking class or you are joining in between? Mean price must be between that A and B value. A is 60, B is 75, but mean price is 80. Does it fit there? Now somebody is asking how you calculated CP. CP I calculated by formula. SP is given sold at 96 per kg. SP is here. Formula for CP is SP into 100 by 100 plus profit percent. 100 plus profit percent is given here. So I got this, right? Pavan, you understood how I calculated CP? Matlab, you all are great Atma. Great Atma means great Mahan Atma actually. Mahan Atma means great soul, great soul. Fine. So I was, Pavan is saying, yes sir, we are great soul. Yes. Okay. Okay, fine. So last point that is very important is uh, quantity of your item left in container after n operations. Okay, you're getting laugh. You want to laugh? Yes, laughing is a good exercise. Laughter is good for your health. You should laugh. So fine, this is very important point. Quantity of pure item left in container. I'm very serious kind of person. I'm very serious kind of person. But I laugh a lot. When I laugh, when I will be in a class, when I'm taking class, you will see my different face actually. You will see my different personality. You will find me one different person. I will enjoy a lot in class. I will make a joke and every time I will keep on laughing. But once I'm alone, once I'm walking on road, once I'm alone, I change my perception. I change my personality completely different. I become so serious a person. But when I'm taking class, when I'm among people, I will get one different personality. I don't know how it happens. I seriously don't know, but it happens like that. I enjoy a lot. But when I'm alone walking, when I'm in room and all, I will get very serious. I don't know why. So, okay. First, let me finish this point. This point. Let me finish. This is very important point. Very important. Let me finish this. Let me finish this. So here, okay. Okay, fine. So here, I will tell you what is this. I will tell you what is this. One student out of you nowadays in lockdown, you are at home, and you had seen in the starting when wine shop they had opened. When wine shop they had opened, people were like mad about that, and they were carrying it in like kind of cartoons, wine and all they were carrying around. So let's say that in this lockdown you were at your home. One of you, some of you are drinking also. Your father is also drinking. So one fine day, your father brought one bottle of wine, one bottle of good quality wine. Your father got, okay. So you saw that, you felt inside very happy. So your father kept inside a cupboard. You are now planning when he will be not here at home so I can taste it. So one fine day he is out, your parents are out, mother and father both are out. So this is the day you decided that I must taste. So what you did is What you did is, let's say this wine is 5 liters. Let's say it is 5 liters. Your father drinks a lot, so he didn't get like 1 or 2 liters or half liter. He got so much 5 liters he got. So now what you did? What you did? You took some quantity out. You took some quantity out. You drank. You enjoyed. But now this decreased. This decreased. So it should not be decreased. Otherwise, your father will be back and he will find and you will get nice kutai. Nice kutai. Kutai means beating. In Hindi, it is kutai. He will beat you badly, blue and black. So you will fill water. So you will fill water into this. Okay. You will fill water. How much quantity you had taken out, that much water you had mixed. So earlier it was 5 liters of wine. Earlier it was 5 liters of wine. But now when you mixed water, quantity of it was pure wine earlier. Suppose assume it was pure wine. It was pure wine 5 liters earlier. But when you drank some quantity, you mixed water. So this 5 liter will decrease. Again, another day he was not there. Again, you did same thing. Again, you did same thing. Again, you took some quantity out. Again, you drank and you mixed water. So this thing you are repeated 3-4 times. These things you repeated 3-4 days. Every time when your father is going out, your parents are going out, you are tasting this. Every time you are tasting this and you are mixing water. So this quantity will decrease. Earlier 5 liters wine, but now it will keep on decreasing, isn't it? So question comes after 3 operation, after 4 operation, after 5 operation, how many liters of quantity of pure item is still left? Suppose earlier it was 5 liters. So after 3 operation, after 4 operation, after 5 operation, how many liters are now finally left? This is one of the very important point from Michelson allegation. So we have formula for this. We have a formula for this. I will tell you this formula. Quantity of pure item left is equals to quantity of pure item left is equals to X. I will assume X is the total quantity of pure item in starting. X liters is total quantity of pure item in starting. Y liters every time you are drinking, and Y liter water you are replacing. So X is the starting quantity, okay, into 1 minus Y divided by X to the power N. How many times this operation is repeated? So this is the formula you have to keep in mind. X is the total quantity, X into 1 minus Y divided by X to the power N. N is the number of times this operation is repeated. Very simple question will not come. Practice some questions on this pattern. This point comes in Michelson allegation. Many times this point is used. Many times this question from this point has been asked. So if I ask you one question, so answer me this one. Answer this question number 12. A container contains 40 liters repeated further 2 times. How much milk is now obtained by the container? Okay. Final quantity left is equals to 40 into 1 minus, no, 28 is not correct. Arun has answered correct. 1 minus 4 divided by 40 to the power. How many times this operation is done? Can you tell me how many times this thing is done? 3 times. See here, further this process was repeated further 2 times. This process repeated further 2 times. So this operation is done total 3 times. First time it happened and again repeated further 2 times. So altogether 3 times it happened. So 40 into 9 by 10 to the power 3. You simplify this and you will get 29.16 liters. You will get 29.16 liters. So you have to solve some more questions on this pattern, okay? Like question number 20 is important question on this same pattern with a slight change. You have to do by yourself. You have to try by yourself. Question number 20. I will not do. I told you the pattern. So this mixtures allegation I completed. So there was still some points left. Some points means many points were still left. I just guided you. I gave you some idea. I will keep on updating questions on my Facebook page every day, few of the questions, and one day, maybe in 1 or 2 days, I will upload set of complete question. Set of complete question I will upload all together one PDF on my Facebook page. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will upload. And this formula which I told you from APGP and all formula, that square cube and all, that also I will upload in just 1 or 2 days. On my page. Keep on checking. Try to download their questions. Okay. And key answer I have not made. I have made only questions. I have made only questions which I can remember, which I have from earlier sets. I have to solve to make its answer. I have to solve it. And right now I'm not getting that time to solve. Murgesh, maybe you are not trying properly. You have to try properly. So fine. So what I was trying to say is, yes, logical reasonings were also left. This English was also left. But this was free class. For a few days, I tried to do something which will help you. So from tomorrow, your technical section will be done. Okay, your technical section will start from tomorrow. I will be not there from tomorrow. Okay, try to do well in TCS. If any help, anything you will need, I will be connected with you through WhatsApp. Through Facebook page. Try to do well. Okay, read well. You have still around 10 to 12 days, and try to get selected. My best wishes is what I can give you. Okay. And if you will clear, I will be the most happiest person. Try to do well, try to get selected. Okay, my best wishes, and best wishes for all your future endeavors. Fine, even I will also miss you. It was a great time. It was seriously a great time that we came in contact, we met. Thank you so much. Okay, my number is, if you will need any help, this is my number, but don't message simply. If you will have any doubt, any difficulty, you can message me on this number. This is my number. I will be connected, okay? Thank you so much, finally. Thank you so much. Okay, do well. From tomorrow, your coding section will be done. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye, all of you. Bye, all of you. Okay.